Another SB19 update hinggil pa rin sa nakaraan na Akon Concert 2025. Mula nga sa kay Athena Flor, narito po ang translation ng artikulo published after Akon. Akon Music Festival blasts a good level group, audiences are stunned. Who are they? The members are super strong and all Filipinos. SB19 attended the Akon 2025 Music Festival last night and performed with great enthusiasm. The performance shocked the World Games audience and sparked heated discussion on social media. South Korea's award ceremony 2025 AAA Asia Artist Awards successfully concluded on the 6th at the Kaohsiung World Games, and on the 7th, the Akon 2025 Music Festival was held with great enthusiasm, hosted by GIDLE Taiwan member Xu Hua together with Lee Junrong, key members Sui and Gravity Taiwanese, American member Alan Mashiguan, making the scene quite lively. However, among the groups that appeared, many audience members who entered were shocked by one of the performance named SB19. They all recorded videos and uploaded them to social media platform praising them wildly. What kind of group is this? It's a huge dark horse. This is too exaggerated. The whole audience was drenched in sweat. The atmosphere was too sly. After the Akon Music Festival ended yesterday, many fans uploaded videos on the social media platform threads saying, I am really crazy. This group is basically the biggest dark horse group in Akon. How can they sing so well and dance so hard? They treat the Kaohsiung World Games like a concert. SB19, I remember you. This singing ability and stage charm are really amazing. You can't be inferior to the K-pop group at all. You were so shocked at the scene that you couldn't speak. After the post was exposed, many netizens responded. It really amazing power. The members were drenched in sweat and worked extremely hard. The absolute stage king is SB19. SB19 is really strong with top-tier talent and great songs. The first time I saw SB19 was at the 2025 Hito Pop Music Awards, and after watching it, I thought this group was too amazing. The whole time I kept saying how amazing it was. The dance was super tiring, and the whole time I sang with my hands and feet, dancing until I was sweating. It's really sincere, it can be vast and super high notes completely unblinking. This level is too powerful. Ang dami pala talagang naglabas ng artikulo at ang mga komento ng ibang lahi sa SB19. Sabi nga nila, exaggerated talaga dahil matindi ang energy level ng SB19. Well, ano masasabi nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.